Hey guys, I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus versus a J7 Core from 2017. It is not a 2018 model which comes with a 3GB RAM and comes with a 2GB RAM, and J4 Plus comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor with a 2GB RAM and Exynos 7870 processor, same processor as the new J6 model, not a J6 Plus which has same processor as the J4 Plus. So let's quickly boot, and this video is also sponsored by Apple Mobile Shop. They had this message: this shop will be very good to buy new and used phones as well. And J4 Plus comes with a new aspect ratio compared to the J7 Core 2017, but the more powerful processor is changed the game in this speed test. And the faster processor is faster on the J7 Core, and you can see not much a difference between a J4 Plus, and you can see it is also right behind, but it is a difference, okay. And old aspect ratio on the J7 Core, everything is goes up in the background, and for 2GB RAM on both phones. First is the phone dialer, and faster on the J7 Core, which has a more powerful processor as well as the fast animation launching the settings. And again faster on the J7 Core, and J4 Plus is right behind, launching the calendar application. And faster on the J7 Core, J4 Plus is followed by the J7 Core, the clock. And faster on the J7 Core. J7 Core is a very bad looking phone, but the performance wise it is more powerful processor, more, it is more good phone compared to the J4 Plus. Launching the some games application. First is the Subway Surfer, launching at the same time. And J4 Plus is showing me a sign in thing pop up, and you can see J7 Core is faster there, and J4 Plus is also done. So about 4-second difference there, very huge difference in this game because showing me a sign in thing. The temper run 2, let's see who is faster in this game. And J7 Core is looking more faster, more faster in a loading, and you can see J7 Core is faster than the J4 Plus. Let's go back and launching the another game, the Candy Crush. It is my favorite games that I am actually play on my Samsung Galaxy S8. And J7 Core is faster there, and J4 Plus is right behind, so about 2-second difference here. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and J7 Core is faster there and J4 Plus is right behind. So let's launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome versus a Samsung internet browser, and show you guys what is the speed. And I have launched the internet browser on both phones, Samsung internet versus a Google Chrome, because I don't have a Samsung internet browser on a J4 Plus, and you can see just a tiny bit faster on the J4 Plus. Next up, facebook.com. And J4 Plus is open the website first. Let's see who is faster there, and you can see J4 Plus is faster than the J7 Core within a second website. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, 2GB RAM on both phones, and let's see 2GB RAM is enough in a Samsung phone to kept all these applications in the background or not. Let's see. A phone dialer is kept their memory on both phones, but the both phones is refreshed in a settings, and the calendar is also refreshed. And the games is also not refreshed on both phones. I mean refresh on both phones. And last is the internet browser. Overall, I have to say the RAM management is very bad on both phones, because both phones comes with a 2 GB RAM, and 2 GB RAM is not enough for giving you a awesome multitasking. Samsung is giving you a 3 GB RAM. It is more good than 2 GB RAM. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a J7 core versus a J4 Plus. And I gotta say the app's opening speed faster on the J7 core, more powerful processor. And I don't know, Samsung is giving you a Snapdragon 425, same processor as the J5 2016 about 3 years ago. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this speed test. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.